The National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, Nafdac, was on the spotlight at this forum organized by the Lagos Chamber of Commerce and Industry to raise serious concerns about the plight of small and medium enterprises in their dealings with Nafdac. With the Nafdac boss, Dr. Paul Oyi, seated, President of LCCI minced no words when he said their members were becoming frustrated with the activities of the Food and Drug Regulator, saying a recent survey carried by LCCI proves the point.
Delay in registration and certification of products, multiplicity and arbitrary charges, frequency of visits that come with costs to the companies, overlap of functions with other agencies, excessive human interface in operational framework, and collection of excessive quantity of products, supposedly as samples. In view of the threat posed by these challenges to the survival of companies, I implore the agency to kindly reflect on the issues and consider our prayers.
But the Nafdac boss put a robust defense and explanation. He told the audience the agency is caught between the devil and the deep blue sea in enforcing regulations.
Recently, a survey was done of the top 100 companies in Africa. 25 of such companies were from Nigeria. Out of these 25, 13 of them are Nafdac regulated. We regulate 13 of those biggest companies in Nigeria. The Nigerian breweries that you hear about, all the PZ Cozons, or it can be the Unilever, the Nestle's, all those are regulated by Nafdac. So if we regulate too much, if we put too many stringent conditions for regulation of products, they cannot regulate, so we're going to kill the industry. If we do not regulate, then anything can come into the market. And you will not even be able to sell your product because the fakes will be there. Everything will be there, and you cannot sell your product, and so it will kill the industry.
On the issue of registration, he said intended business owners are often to blame by not adhering to the rules, adding that youth corps members who wish to register their products with the agency are not charged registration fees.
Sometimes people who want to register Nafdac product, Nafdac regulated product, do not even know the basic things about the registration procedure. And so the application lingers, sometimes back and forth. They will submit, Nafdac will find compliance, say, do this, it will be sent back to them. They will wait and wait. By the time they bring it back, months are passing, months are passing. I am aware of the difficulties of registration, but currently I want to state that Nafdac has the shortest, one of the shortest timeline for registration of products in the world. The shortest. When I came to the agency, some products were lingering for 2 years, and what I did was to say, let us sit down and determine that within 90 days, 90 working days, if somebody has submitted the application and done all that it requires, submitted all the forms that are required, paid all the regulatory fees that are required, their products, they should hear from us if the product passes quality tests.
After all the explanations, though, the Nafdac DG promised to deal with the challenges identified by the chambers and make things easier for SMEs while not compromising on standard. Endurance occur. TV 360, Lagos.